girl and your friends bad too. You got the swag, so she do the swag too. Bad girl and your friends bad too. You got the swag, so she do the swag too. Baby, you're the
is the heart of a woman. Yeah. Only thing that's saving you is the heart of a woman. Yeah. Question is why I do the things I do. Answer I may never find, but I'll always choose you. Wanna give up on you, but damn, I know I can't. I put the blame on me for giving you chance after chance. I can't stand, and I try to be strong. How much can I put your words on your life this time? And I hope your words ain't lying, 'cause only thing that's saving you is the heart of a woman. Is the heart of a woman. It's my mind and my soul, rest of your pride. Nigga, check your ego, I left mine at the door. Just because I let it slide, drowning all of my emotions, I let you slide in this ocean. I'm in love, and I try to be strong.
UNICE did it again. Now you guys know this is like one of the units that I love to get. You guys know this is definitely my look. You guys know this is like my everyday kind of vibe. I love a good middle part and I love some water wave hair. Today we have an Amazon unit from UNICE, and today's unit is a little bit different. I know you guys have seen me with a look like this, but you guys haven't experienced this type of wig, because the construction of this wig has completely changed the game. Now, if you're somebody who hates those elastic bands that you hook in, they're really uncomfortable to where they have those hard clips. Sometimes they're sewn in, sometimes they're not, but either way, that band, when you wear it for a long period of time, it's very uncomfortable. Let's just face it, it's uncomfortable. So UNICE heard us loud and clear, and they have this new no slip water wave wig that I just had to share with you guys today. So this unit has a different strap. Now, I know you guys are used to that brown strap in the very back of your units. Like the older units all had that brown strap in the back. This unit does not have that. This unit has a strap similar to that, but it's a whole lot different. So where that big thick elastic band used to be, now it's a small skinny strap that you can adjust. It reminds me of like your bra strap, and you can tighten it as loose or as tight as you want it. And this unit also comes with the pull drawstring in the very back of the unit, which gives you a nice snug fit all the way around. And I love that because when they have those big thick elastic bands, sometimes companies would only put that in the unit, and it would leave like the back of your unit just out and free. And I like the fact that this has that drawstring pull strap in the very back of it, and also it has a really long comb in the back as well. And the other thing about this unit is that it's breathable. This is perfect if you're somebody who wants your scalp to breathe throughout your installs. And of course, it's beginner friendly. This unit doesn't require you to use absolutely anything to install it. As you guys saw, I literally took it right out of the box. I put it on and I was done. I was done. Like, I didn't have to do the baby hair. I didn't have to bleach the knots. I didn't have to cut the lace. It's a complete time saver. So if you're somebody who's in a rush, you don't have a lot of time to do your hair, this unit is literally ready to wear right out of the box for you. Not only that, it also has a very deep parting space. As you guys can see here, I do have this unit in a 7x5 closure wig. It has the bye-bye knots, which are really popular. Bye-bye knots are basically really tiny knots that you can't see. And you guys know, typically, you know, we would bleach our knots and doing all of that. With this unit, you don't have to use any bleach. You don't have to sit there wondering, did I over bleach it? Is the consistency thick enough? Because let's face it, a lot of people don't know how to bleach their knots. Either make the bleach too watery or it's too thick and it's not really getting all of the knots. Sometimes you feel like you need to go in for a second bleaching, and then when you do that, you completely ruin the hair, and then your hair is falling out and you're wondering, why is my wig shedding? Well, because you bleached the heck out of the knots, and it weakens the knots when you do that. So the fact that this already comes pre-bleached for you, you don't have to worry about all of the hassle, and it's just really quick and easy to put on. This is definitely like my everyday look. This is something that works for all times of the year, whether it is spring, summer, winter, or fall. It doesn't even matter because this unit works for literally every season. So you can wear this unit anywhere, and it's just really lightweight. I love water wave texture. Water wave texture is definitely my favorite type of texture because it doesn't get as tangled as those really tight curly units, and it just looks better to me. I love how like effortless it is. You don't need a bunch of products or anything in the hair. I see a lot of girls who get curly hair and they brush all the curls out and then they wet it and then they put product and then they diffuse it. We don't have time for that. I don't know about you, but I don't have time for that. I'm not about to be doing all of that. You need a unit like this from UNICE that is literally ready to wear right out of the box and just takes all of the work out for you. Look how pretty this hair is right out of the box. I don't have any product on this hair. I don't have anything on this hair. This is just how it looks. And the other thing that I like about it is that it doesn't have a smell. Sometimes when you get wigs, they have a little bit of a smell to them. Some of them smells like chemicals. Sometimes they smell like fish. Sometimes they just smell like the factory. I've even gotten a unit that smell like cigarettes. Literally had a unit that smelled like cigarettes, and I refuse to put that on my head. I told the company I will send it back to you. I don't know what I'm gonna do, but I'm not putting it on my head. I'm not gonna be out here smelling like cigarettes. I don't have that problem with UNICE. UNICE has never given me any issue, especially when it's something like that. So I do currently have this unit in a 24-inch, if you guys are interested in knowing the length for this one. I did turn around earlier just so you guys can see, but if you pull the hair down, you can barely get it in the frame. So even though it hits here, you can pull it down here, and this is a 24-inch, okay? So they do go by the stretch length. And the other thing that I like about having a water wave is that you don't lose out on your inches. When you have a really tight curly unit, it's gonna be shorter. So it may say, yeah, it's a 24-inch, but it's not gonna hit this long. And if you're someone like me who prefers a lengthier look, then you definitely wanna offer a water wave versus like a jerry curly or a kinky curly, because it's gonna be a lot shorter. Too much hair, it's too much, it's too full. I don't like all of that hair. It just, it becomes annoying after a while. I'm just gonna be real with y'all. It's too much sometimes. So that's why I prefer the beautiful water wave texture. But I'm gonna come up a little bit closer so you guys can get a better look at this unit. So here's a nice up close look at this unit. As you guys can see, it did come with the baby hairs already done for you. So if you don't know how to do baby hairs, the baby hairs are already in here for you as well. Like I said, it has that pre-cut lace. You guys see how natural this unit looks. Look at that parting space, and then it goes further. So if you did want to do something where you wanted to pull it back, you're not stuck with the middle part. If you're a side part girly, you can definitely put this in a side part as well. I'm actually going to show you guys how deep the parting space goes. And look, you can even wear it like a flip over like this too if you want. Just so you guys can really see like how much parting space you get, how well the knots are bleached on here. It looks extremely natural. It's a very natural looking unit. Love how natural this looks. And like I said, if you want to do a side part, you definitely can. We love, love, love a good versatile unit, especially if it's a closure. Like, because a lot of times when we have closures, we feel like we can only wear it in the middle part. So we love a closure unit that has a lot of parting space on it. And this one definitely gives you all of the parting space that you can hope for, okay? It looks really natural. It's glueless. Okay, we can lift her up and pull her back down. She is a glueless install, so you don't have to use any glue or anything like that. As you guys saw, I literally just adjusted the strap and put this unit on. And because this is an Amazon wig, you do get free shipping, so you don't have to worry about paying for the shipping. We love that. And of course, you know, Amazon ships really fast. So if you need this for a special occasion, if you're going somewhere, if you're traveling, or if you just have, you know, or if you just want your unit in time, you don't want to wait like 2 weeks, a week for your unit, you definitely want to order this unit with UNICE on Amazon. And this unit also comes in a different color. If you didn't want this jet black color, they also have this other like highlighted version, but it's like that platinum blonde like in black highlight, and that one looks really nice as well. I would highly recommend that if you want to like switch up your look a little bit. This is UNICE new no slip wig. You guys should definitely check this out. I love the construction of it. It's so much more comfortable to me than the other units, and I also like that it's not like hurting my ears here on the side, because sometimes units will have like these hard pieces on the side that like make your ears stick out, and then it just hurts after a while when you're wearing it. This one is just so perfect and it fits me great. And this unit fits all sizes, so whether you have a smaller head or a larger head, you'll be just fine. It goes from 18-inch to a 24-inch circumference. So a circumference means around your head. So if you have a smaller head or bigger head, it's gonna fit everybody, and we love that. So you can adjust this unit to your perfect fit. So yeah, enough rambling. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to get your hands on this unit, I will leave a direct link for it down below, along with all the details. If there was something that I didn't cover and you still have a question, definitely drop a comment down below and I'll get to you guys as soon as I can. I want to give a big thank you to our sponsor, UNICE Hair, for sponsoring today's video and sending over this beautiful unit. It feels so good to be back and to be filming again. As you guys may notice, or you guys may not notice, but I have moved. I'm really excited about that. I will be doing a comeback video. I don't even know what to call it. I will be doing a video because we definitely have to talk. Like, I don't know if you guys can really tell, but like, I'm literally in a whole new place. Y'all see it? Like, I'm in a whole new crib. I'm in a whole new crib right now, y'all. So yeah. Thank you guys for being so patient during my absence. This was, you know, I definitely had to come back and give you guys a little one too. So anyways though, you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see all of you beautiful people in my next one. Bye.